The PNI 631W camera can be controlled from mobile devices via the Android and iOS compatible smart home PNI application and from the PC via the H804 software. The installation software of CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our site from the product page download section. Thanks to the 24-IR LEDs, the AHD36 PNI camera can also view at night up to 30 meters away. It has metal housing and IP66 water resistance glass. The AHD36 analog camera has 1920 by 1080p HD resolution, providing crisp, real-time images. The AHD36 PNI camera is compatible with PNI hybrid systems such as PNI H804 with 4 channels, 8 channel H808 or 16 channels H816, but also PNI House PTZ1200 kit.